Hello everyone. Hello YouTube. Hello Facebook. Hello everyone in the group. It's me again, your lady, Queen Olive, presenting to you Money Rain. What is Money Rain? Money Rain is a platform, is a page. Money Rain is a channel that previews and bring to you reliable platforms, reliable businesses using cryptocurrency, especially using cryptocurrency, because cryptocurrency is a thing of the moment. Using cryptocurrency for you to make a whole lot of money using cryptocurrency. And the truth is that I will not bring your way anything that will make you cry, or any scamming platform. No, because I make review on all of this platform. There are a few things that you've got to know about the platform that you can quietly and assuringly bring in your money and work in it and become successful. First, is it decentralized? What is decentralization? It is a way by all the payment does not get into one purse. No company involved. Money is shared to everyone. And if it is cryptocurrency, is it a cryptocurrency that has a blockchain? Is it based on blockchain? Now, blockchain is one of the assurance. Like Ethereum has a blockchain, Tron has a blockchain. So any other platform or cryptocurrency that has a reliable blockchain, we can use it. But if there's any other business that your money is being delayed for even a day, they ask you to wait. Right? Put in your money and wait for 2 days, 1 month, 3 weeks. Don't try it. Don't. My people in Africa, my people in Nigeria, is enough. Enough is enough of losing money. Okay, don't lose your money again. All right, never you think of losing money. We've lost enough money in all these scamming platform. Allow me to present to you wineth. I'm gonna do this video in two parts. The first part is gonna be what I call the golden triangle when it comes to wineth, and the second part is gonna be the normal one. So I'm gonna present to you this platform. If you want to become a multi-millionaire, wineth is gonna be launching tomorrow, and I would like you to listen to this video very well, and I would like you to take every step I've given you in this video and become wealthy. All right, become wealthy. Okay, now please, I'm gonna leave ask you to follow. Okay, please, this video I'm posting, ladies and gentlemen, please, my friends, guys, please subscribe to this channel. I'm begging you. I'm gonna give you something valuable. I need you to I need your subscription, I need your likes, I need your comment. Drop comment, welcome me, so that I can be bold. I can be bold to share things that are more than this. Okay, even this one, with a little amount of money, you're gonna make millions of naira. If you're in Nigeria, you're gonna make money. Okay, follow me. Let's go into this review now. wineth. What is wineth? Wineth is a peer-to-peer donation platform. Peer-to-peer means payment from me to you, from you to him, from that to that. Okay, then you've got to have a digital wallet. If you don't have an Android phone that can carry your wallet, you cannot be a member of wineth. Okay, your digital wallet has to carry other Trust Wallet. Okay, then that is your Android phone. You've got to install Trust Wallet and load it with Ethereum 0.04, which is in naira is equivalent to about 10,000. As cheap as that for you to start a multi-millionaire business. Okay, a multi-million business with 10,000 naira. Follow me and see what you're going to do. Okay, when you load your either your Trust Wallet or your MetaMask wallet, you're gonna make money through peer-to-peer. What are we doing? We are doing constant donation direct to your own wallet. It's gonna be a constant donation. Okay, let's get and to know now. Did I tell you that this is a donation platform, constant donations. That means this is a crowdfunding platform. Everybody's gonna we are all gonna donate money to ourselves, and it's gonna be worldwide. This wineth is from USA, and we have got to work with them. And please don't miss the opportunity of tomorrow. Okay, don't miss it. No, I'm going to make review. I'm going to go live. Don't miss it. All right, let me see. Let's go to third one. Third one is the levels. What happened? How do we get here? I don't know how to use this, but you've got to follow me. Okay, now how do you get here? What you need, just 14 persons. 14. You need 14 persons to become what you want to become. And please let me say again, under with wineth, if you cannot, it's a game of two. If you know that you cannot refer, because it is this one, there's nothing like free money, no free money anyway. It's a donation platform. I've said it. You have to refer. And how many persons are you supposed to refer into the platform? Just 2, because it is a game of 2. Then the essence is that, look at what they are talking about. You are going to refer 2 persons, and this is where we are going. We are looking at getting 13.65 Ethereum in how many days? 30 days. Not in 30 days, at least within 30 days we should be able to hit this target. Okay, with 2 persons. Okay, with 2 persons is a game. Look at this. It's a game of 2. It's a game of 2. Look at it standing here. You have 2 persons. All right, so everybody has to have 2 persons. 2 persons. It's a game of 2. If you don't have 2 persons, it cannot work. Please, before I continue, if you know, let me say again, you cannot refer just 2 persons. Please don't come into wineth. Okay, just stay away. Okay, and wait for another program that will be coming. But this one is the truth. I'm going to tell you, is a game of 2. First, you need 0.04 Ethereum to be a member. Second, you need to make referral of 2 persons. Then we are talking about 13.65 Ethereum for you to earn 13.65 Ethereum. So let's go back to this game of 2. Now look at you here. You're gonna get 2 persons, and these 2 persons are gonna get 2 persons, and these 2 persons are gonna get 2 each, and that is the end of your matrix. Do you see this? That is 14 persons. If you count, this is 2 here, next line is 4, and next line is 8. That is the end. You personally don't need anything more than this. Alright, you don't need anything more than this. This will earn you 13.5 Ethereum. But you've got to know that before you talk about 13.5 Ethereum, for you to earn 13.5 Ethereum, you have to have these 2 persons. You must produce, and you've got to tell these 2 persons that they must have 2 persons each. Everyone is coming in with 2 persons. It's a game of 2. Without being a game of 2, wineth cannot work for you. If you are the type that will sit down and you cannot produce 2 persons, please don't join wineth, because you are going to put every other person on the line to work and stress out for you. Okay, and that is not good, is it? It's not good. Now when you have 2 persons, all right, the 2 persons you're going to make from the 2 persons that are going to come under you 5%. The first 2 persons, let me go back to the chart. These first 2 persons, you are going to earn 5%. Then these 4 persons, from their 0. Remember, nobody is going to pay anything more than a 0.04, right? Please take note. This system is about 0.04 Ethereum, which is just 10,000. Then is a game of 2. Another one, we are looking at 13.65 Ethereum. Then this last line, well, after you've gotten 5% from these 2 persons, 5% from these 4 persons, the last person that are coming, you're going to earn, oh my god, 90% of their income. Let me show you here. Look at it. The first 2 person that is coming, you're going to gain 5% of their income. The second 4 persons that are coming, you're gonna earn 5% of their income. All right. Then the 90%, the 30%. Okay, let me start from here. Look at you here. Look at you here. Look at you here. Let me start from this side. Okay, this first two that came, you're gonna get 5% from them. This second 4 persons that are coming, you're gonna get 5% from them. Then the 3 persons that are coming, you're gonna get 90% from them. That's how it's gonna work. Now let me show you here. Did you see that when you get level 1 and level 2 and level 3, that means this is the 3 persons, this is the first 2, the first, second persons and the third person. Okay, there. But this donation, at the end of this donation, look at it here now. The 2 persons, the 4 persons, the 3 the 3 levels, you're gonna gain, that's 14 persons. So you're gonna get, by paying, you're gonna pay 0.04, right? Look at it here. Then at the end of this first bucket, you that brought in 0.04 Ethereum, you are going to get 0.3 Ethereum. This is how it's going to work. After you've gotten your 14 persons registered, you're going to make 0.3 Ethereum. 0.3 Ethereum is euros. Is in your wallet. Is in your wallet. What could be more better than this? What could be more sweeter than this? Alright? Now, this is bucket 1 as finished. Total member is 14. Donation you are going to make, and all of them are going to make, is 0.04. Then the 5% is this, 90% is this, and this is what you're going to get. With no gas fee, nothing, just because of the game of 2. I've been telling people about game of numbers, the power of numbers. That is what the churches are doing. That is what the government is doing. That is why the whole world is doing. We have 200,000 people in my country, Nigeria. We have over 7 billion people worldwide. We are talking about the game of numbers. What you need is a game of 2. Power of 2. Then after you've gotten this, that is the first and the last persons you are going to get. The only thing again that I'm sure you have to do, you've got to get to level 2. That's what they call bucket 2, but I call it level 2. Then how do you get to this level 2? This 0.30 Ethereum that you got, you've got to donate 0.08 to your upline. You must donate it. You must donate 0.08. You have to donate this. Okay, you've got to upgrade. How do you donate it? You donate it by upgrading. You have to upgrade. If you don't upgrade, you're not going to collect any more money than that. How do you upgrade? You pay from this. Remember, you came into this platform with 0.04 and you now got this. So you've got to donate. You've got to have further donation on this. All right, upgrade yourself. After you've upgraded yourself to this level, then all these 14 persons are coming to meet you there. They are going to upgrade also. All of them are going to upgrade. They are coming to meet you here. What does that mean? It means that every one of them is going to donate 0.08 to you. And they are going to receive 0.6 at the end. At the end, all their donation is coming to you because they have to upgrade. And they are, so you that came into this platform with 0.04, you are now going to walk away with 0.6. So for you to have level 3, you have to donate again 0.18, which is a little fraction from this. Then after you donate 0.18, upgrade it to become a higher partner, then you are going to expect the same 14 people to come and upgrade and follow you with 0.18 Ethereum. By that time, you're going to receive 1.35 Ethereum. What kind of business is this? Is sweet. guys, with 10,000, I'm talking to Nigerians with 10,000. South Africa, I don't know the equivalent in your money. Ghana, I don't know. Cameroon, I don't know. But this is just sweet. All right, you guys are going to be the pioneer of this business because it's starting tomorrow. All right. Then bucket 4 means level 4. For you to get to level 4, you've got to pick money from this 1.35 and donate 0.8 this time around. After you donated it, and you are going to wait for this the same 14 members. Remember, you're not going to bring any other person. They are going to follow you because this one is a follow me matrix. They are going to follow you to level 4, and all of them will donate, and you are going to receive 6 whooping Ethereum. This is where the game becomes sweeter. 6 Ethereum is going to be here. Then by the time you get little money, just one out of these 6, okay, and donate into the last bucket, you're going to get 7.5 Ethereum. Now, this is why, now you've forgotten, don't forget that you got remaining money here. You got remaining money here. There's remaining money here. There's remaining money here. Let's assume that you did not touch these 2 money, okay? It was only this money you're using, because total donation you sent to the bucket is 2.10. Then total donation received for the till the 5 bucket is 15. That means you still have 13.65 Ethereum. In my currency, this is about in the world currency about $2,800, which is a lot of money in my currency. Guys, tomorrow is a day. Please, if you have an Android phone, ask me question. You can call me on 0803 700 4200. Look down, you see my number. Then I'm going to leave the link of my group chat. You can join the group chat if you want to understand more. When I'll be dropping the link, I might not come to be YouTube and drop it. I might drop it on my chat. So get yourself registered in the chat. So as soon as I drop the link, let's go together. But please, before you want to go with me, if you will not have 2 persons to get to 13.65 Ethereum, please don't come. Because I want to I don't want to work for anybody, okay? So do not wait more. Join this team. Join, please join instantly. Join and get yourself liberated from this stagnant economy. If you are from my country, you understand what I'm talking about. You will know that it's not easy here, it's not sweet. The only way people are making money now is through cryptocurrency, and this one is safe because the money is going to be in your wallet and you can withdraw it instantly. Bulletin, this company is offering you a salary package of 2.8. They reached about 5 million in my currency. What sweet thing is this? 13.65 Ethereum. You can make it. If you join force with me, we can make it. We can make it happen every month. Ask me more questions on this. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm begging you, subscribe. This is the normal one. This is not the golden triangle. The next video is going to be on golden triangle, okay? Thank you so much, viewers. Thank you.